Hi, my name is Sanjana George. I'm a professional mixed martial arts athlete, and unfortunately during training I had injured my knee, and I had come to visit Rajagiri Hospital, and the treatment has been extremely amazing and they've treated me really well. And I just wanted to share my experience of what it was like after the injury and since I've came here. So I had an MCL tear, and from the beginning of my experience, the staff has been extremely kind, and Dr. Murugan Babu had treated me. He explained what the procedure would be like and the timeline to return to sport, and I constantly had mentioned to him my worry about being able to come back to sport. 2 years ago, I had unfortunately injured the other knee as well, and I've returned back to sport, and I've been able to compete and win competitions. So I was completely confident in coming back here and doing my other knee with him as well. And the staff and the nurses were extremely friendly as well, and they constantly checked on me, made sure I was emotionally and mentally happy and satisfied with everything that they were offering me. So I wanted to give them a big thank you to the staff as well as Dr. Murugan Babu for doing this whole procedure all over again and treating me. So thank you to everyone here, thank you to my doctors, and I definitely recommend coming to this hospital.
Yes, Sanjana, I think we did the first ACL surgery 3 years back. And how was your experience? I just wanted to ask you one question. So how was your post-operative, after the surgery, the post-operative experience, how was it? And how many months or how many days you took to become almost normal?
I think the last surgery was a little bit more complicated because ACL, MCL, medial and lateral
everything was
meniscus,
almost the multi-ligament injuries. So,
yes.
so many
And it
ligaments.
was during 2020, so it was during COVID, and I didn't have access to physiotherapy. It was in complete lockdown. So I think it took me about 2 to 3 months to be able to start walking again and walking.
So then only we allowed you to walk.
Yes.
Okay.
But definitely coming back from that injury, it was scary because it was such a huge injury, and I didn't know if I'd ever be able to compete again at the time, like slowly learning to walk again. Getting through that injury, being able to compete again, to win at the same sport that I came out of. So that was definitely an amazing experience. And I definitely still think my left leg came out to be stronger than my right leg post-surgery.
Good. So after that also, when you started doing your competent this thing, and everything was perfect?
Yes. I mean, I think as part of anybody that goes through a surgery, there are sometimes, like some days that will not go perfectly.
Okay.
But every time you break through the range of mobility, and some days you feel some sort of pain. But definitely I was able to get full mobility back, and I was able to compete, I was able to run. And there were like a few bad days, but I think that's expected.
Okay.
But definitely more good days than bad.
So this injury also happened because of level of playing and all?
Yeah. So this injury was unfortunate. So I was in training and I was boxing somebody, and somebody fell on me from behind me.
Okay.
So his weight had shifted my knee out of focus.
Okay.
And that's how I injured this leg.
Okay,
But
now
then
it's
3 weeks.
3 weeks. So you're happy now? So
Yes.
You're recovering well?
Yes. And I'm definitely happier and more confident that I'll be able to return to sport because of the last experience.
Yes, definitely you will be able to go back to your routine sports activities. Probably it may take some more time, so because you need to strengthen your muscles,
Yes.
and the ligament has to heal well. And after that, so we are sure, we are confident that you can go back to your the previous sports level of activities probably in 3 or 4 months' time. Anyway, all the best, Sanjana.
Thank you so much.
Bye.